you ever wondered what you would do if you encountered a real-life T-Rex? Well, today we're gonna find out. This thing is over 6 foot long and weighs over 600 pounds. Today we're gonna shoot it with the world's most powerful guns. They are the most powerful safari rifles in existence. It has a 1-inch diameter bore and it fires this. This is a 2,150 grain bullet that is 1 inch in diameter. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh! Oh! That T-Rex ain't gonna know what hit him. Whew. This is gonna hurt. I'm so excited to shoot this right now. I'm just totally not stalling, just enjoying the moment, you know? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Subscribe for daily chaos, or you won't see me again.